video, we're going to walk through how to arrange your form fields in multiple columns in your form. So from the form dashboard here, let's just create a new form. And you're going to want to add fields to your form as you normally do. So just click to add, first name, last name. And then a critical point here is that our designing options, at least within the form builder, become available once we hit Save Form. We'll automatically save your form for you after the third field. So you'll see here, when I hit email, we'll save for you. But you can click Save before you add 3 fields. Now what happens is once we do have our initial save, we provide a default form design for your form. So one of the unique features is that we allow for multiple form designs of the same form. And when you're adding or making styling choices within the form builder here on the form builder tab, the changes we are making are to the default design. And that'll make a little more sense as I show you how this works. So to arrange your fields into multiple columns, we are able to click on the row within the form builder, not the element here, but the row itself. And you'll see that we have column arrangement options. So I'll do 2 columns here. Click the arrangement you want, hit apply. And you'll see that now it's broken down into 2 columns. So I can just simply drag this last name up and over to the second column. And then I'll just remove the row that was previously in. So you can see here, that's how we can add multiple columns into your form from within the form builder here. So like I was saying, these design changes are for the default design. You can also make more advanced form designs in the advanced designer. So see here, this is our default design. That is the design that is going to reflect the two column change I made. So if I click this, we can see that, my 2 column form design. But in the advanced designer, we're also able to manage column structure. So if I create a new design, I can just add all of my fields. And we manage the columns in the same way. We want to select the row and we can change it to 2 columns here. Or I can select this row and I'll change it to 3 columns. The difference here is that in the designer, we'll automatically save these for you. And you'll see a little indication of that here, design save. Same process, drag and drop to rearrange. And that's a very simple example of a 3 column form. So that's how we can arrange form fields into multiple columns within Indition Forms. So just to recap, the first option is within the form builder when you're actually building your form out with the fields. You have some styling options by clicking on the row and choosing the column structure. Just to show you, if I did click on first name here, I can also access a row styling tab to select the entire row and make the same changes. Also, the other option is in the advanced designer. You can create a custom design as I show you. And just like within the form builder, you can customize the column arrangement for each row. You'll see here I have a 3 column form now. So I hope that helped you out today, and thanks for choosing Indition.